Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Miss Jackie L, and who we have here is baby Nashida, you guys. Do you like baby Nashida's turkey outfit with the little tail and the little eggs right there? Yeah, that's my Spunky, my little sweet little doggy. But anyway, you guys, let me know what you think of this turkey outfit. Oh, she looks so adorable, you guys, and her little ting laying the little eggs. Let me know what you guys think. Make sure you give her lots of likes, lots of shares, and let me know what you think of this video with her and her turkey outfit. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm Miss Jackie L, and this is Little Nashida.